Stop guessing in Istanbul. Land. Tap the right app, scan your card, pick the fastest route. In 7 minutes, you'll travel like a local. Here's how we'll do this. First, we set up your phone with the right apps. Then we get your Istanbulkart ready. After that, I'll show you the fastest ways in from each airport. We'll wrap with quick etiquette rules and a free starter map you can download. Start with the app stack, the ones locals actually rely on. For navigation, use Move It or City Mapper so you always see live routes and clean transfers. If you're flying into IST and prefer the airport coach, check schedules in the Havist app. Need a cab? Book inside Butaxi or the city's e-taxi to avoid haggling and to track your ride. And for the water, Shahir Hatlara gives you the official ferry timetables. Finally, manage top-ups and your balance in the Istanbulkart app. Think of this as your home screen row for Istanbul. Navigate, bus, taxi, ferry, and card. Now, the card that makes the city click. Istanbulkart. It's your pass for metro, tram, metrobus, some ferries, and more. Buy it at the airport or at station machines labeled Bilet Matik. Setup is simple. Buy the card, load with cash or bank card, and tap once per person at the gate. A typical metro or tram ride is about 27 lira in 2025. Prices may change, so check the screen. Paper single tickets cost more. Keep the card topped up. A single ticket can be around 40 lira, and longer trips like Metrobus or Marmara can cost more than a short tram hop. Flying into IST, Istanbul Airport? You've got two clean choices. Route A, Metro. Take M11 from the airport to Bey in about 30 minutes, then switch to M2 for Taksim or Yenikapı. Predictable, luggage-friendly, and traffic-proof. Route B, Havist Shuttle to Taksim. Around 275 lira in 2025. Prices may change. Choose based on time of day and how much you're carrying. The Metro ignores traffic. The shuttle is a simple, one-seat ride with big bags. Landing on the Asian side at SAW Sabiha Gökçen? Just as straightforward. Route A, M4 to Kadıköy, then ferry to Eminönü or Karaköy. Scenic, frequent, reliable. Route B, Habibus coach to Taksim. About 283.50 lira in 2025. Prices may change. Metro plus ferry is calm and surprisingly fast at busy hours. The coach is easiest if you want to sit once and roll into Taksim. Before you ride, quick rules for smooth travel. Keep your card ready, one tap per rider, no piggybacking.
On escalators, stand right. Walk left. For ferries, arrive 5 minutes early. Lines move quickly. If you need a taxi, stick to B-Taxi or iTaxi for verified drivers and clear pricing. Why plan this way? A taxi from IST to Taksim can run 1,200 to 1,600 lira, depending on traffic and time of day. Metro or shuttle avoids the guesswork and protects your budget, especially at rush hour. To make this plug and play, download the starter map in the description. You'll see pins for T1, M2, M4, and M11, plus the main ferry corridors you'll actually use. Fare chips are snapshots for today. Always check current prices before you ride. Follow the quick rules. Save time, save lira. Enjoy the city from day one. Save this video for landing day. Subscribe for the Istanbul season. And grab the free starter map in the description so you can hit the ground moving.